When they get messy, go lefty like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the best buzz or rent a jet ski. I know the spots that got the best weed. We going next week. I wanna honor you. Rise groom, I'm my father's child. I know when the son takes the first step, the father's proud.
DJ Burns.
I know we believe in God and I know God believes in us.
Yeah, so this is Fresno Street Eats' new partnership with the Manchester Center. We do food truck events all over town, different areas of town, upward of 15 to 20 a week. So we have tons of great partnerships, and when Manchester came to us wanting to do something like this here, we jumped at it because I've always kind of loved this area, this mall. I think that it's like a historic sort of Fresno part, Fresno shopping experience, and for us to be able to come in here and kind of help them, bring in new businesses and bring new foot traffic is something that we're all about. We want to help all local businesses, whether it's food trucks or anybody else, and it just seemed like a great opportunity for us, for the food trucks, and for Manchester.
I think it's awesome. I am familiar with Ruby as Churros, and I heard that they were coming out here today, and so I came down, and I just think it's really nice to be able to get out, and do something out here when everybody's, been cooped up at home. So it's really nice to just get out and try some good food and have a good time.
This will be a good shot right here.
But I think it's wonderful. It's great for the businesses that are around here to be able to come out and enjoy some different food choices. And so very excited that this is going to be every Friday. It's kind of a good way to end the week for sure.
When they get messy, go lefty like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the best buzz or rent a jet ski. I know the spots that got the best weed. We going next week.